The secret vitamin that could reverse kidney disease at any stage. Stay healthy. What if I told you that a single vitamin could be the missing key to stopping kidney disease in its tracks? No matter what stage you're in? Sounds too good to be true, right? But science is revealing some shocking new findings about a vitamin that has been overlooked for far too long. Imagine this. You feel perfectly healthy. You have no pain, no symptoms, and everything seems fine. Until one day, a simple blood test reveals that your kidneys are failing. This is the reality for millions of people around the world. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is called the silent killer for a reason. It sneaks up without warning. But here's the good news. Recent research is showing that a specific vitamin could not only slow down kidney damage, but even help your kidneys heal. And guess what? Most people are severely deficient in this powerful nutrient. In today's video, we're going to uncover what this miracle vitamin is and how it protects your kidneys, the scientific proof that it can reverse kidney damage, the best food sources and supplements to maximize its benefits, and a bonus tip that will supercharge your kidney health. Make sure to watch this video till the very end, because this information could literally save your life or the life of someone you love. Before we dive in, if you care about your health, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss life-changing health updates. All right, let's get started. Why kidney disease is a silent killer and how it's destroying millions of lives. Your kidneys are one of the most important organs in your body, working 24/7 to filter toxins and waste from your blood, regulate fluid and electrolyte balance, sodium, potassium, calcium, control blood pressure by maintaining fluid balance, produce hormones that help red blood cell production and bone strength. But here's the terrifying part. Most people with kidney disease don't even know they have it until it's too late. Did you know? 37 million Americans suffer from chronic kidney disease, but 90% of them have no idea. Kidney disease is irreversible in later stages, leaving only dialysis or transplant as options. The top two causes: diabetes and high blood pressure. If kidney function drops below 15%, waste builds up in your blood, poisoning your body and leading to symptoms like constant fatigue, swelling in the legs, face, and ankles, high blood pressure that won't go down, nausea and vomiting, severe muscle cramps, brain fog, and confusion. But what if you could prevent this fate? What if there was a natural way to help your kidneys heal? This is where vitamin D comes into play. The secret vitamin that can help reverse kidney disease. Yes, it's vitamin D. Most people think of vitamin D as just a bone health vitamin, but that's only half the story. Here's the shocking truth. People with kidney disease are almost always deficient in vitamin D, and this makes their condition worse. In fact, research shows that maintaining healthy vitamin D levels can significantly reduce kidney damage, prevent dialysis, and even restore function in some cases. Let's break down exactly how vitamin D works to protect your kidneys. How vitamin D helps reverse kidney disease. 1. Reduces inflammation, the root cause of kidney damage. Kidney disease is largely caused by chronic inflammation. When inflammation is high, the kidneys suffer scarring and irreversible damage. Studies show that vitamin D is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that helps reduce kidney inflammation and slow disease progression. Lower protein levels in urine, a key marker of kidney disease. Improve overall kidney function over time. Prevents kidney fibrosis, scarring of the kidneys. When kidneys become damaged, they start forming scar tissue, fibrosis, which makes them work less efficiently. Vitamin D prevents fibrosis by blocking the pathways that lead to scarring, keeping kidney tissue healthy. 3. Regulates blood pressure, a major kidney killer. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney disease. How does vitamin D help? It relaxes blood vessels, improving circulation. It helps the body absorb calcium properly, preventing artery calcification. It reduces the strain on your kidneys, keeping them functioning longer. Balances calcium and phosphorus levels. As kidney function declines, the body loses control over calcium and phosphorus levels. This can lead to weak bones, artery calcification, and further kidney damage. Vitamin D helps regulate these minerals, reducing stress on the kidneys, prevents dangerous calcium deposits in blood vessels. 5. Strengthens the immune system. Your kidneys also play a role in immune regulation. When they're failing, your immune system weakens, making you prone to infections. Vitamin D supercharges your immune defenses, helping your body fight off infections and inflammation more effectively. Where to get the right amount of vitamin D for kidney health? 1. Sunlight, the most natural source sun symbol. Just 15 to 30 minutes of sun exposure on your skin can boost your vitamin D levels significantly. But many people don't get enough sun due to indoor lifestyles, winter seasons, or darker skin tones. 2. Vitamin D-rich foods. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, tuna. One of the best sources of natural vitamin D. Egg yolks. Pasture-raised eggs contain more vitamin D. Mushrooms. Certain types produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. 3. Vitamin D supplements. The most reliable option. If you have kidney disease, food and sunlight might not be enough. A high-quality vitamin D3, cholecalciferol supplement is often recommended. Pro tip: pair vitamin D with magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids for even greater kidney protection. Bonus tip: the kidney healing trifecta. While vitamin D is incredibly powerful, pairing it with these 2 other nutrients can supercharge its effects. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil or flax seeds reduces kidney inflammation. 2. Magnesium helps activate vitamin D and improves kidney function. Take all 3 together and you'll have a powerful kidney protecting formula. Could vitamin D be the missing link to a longer, healthier life? Think about this. What if maintaining optimal vitamin D levels wasn't just about protecting your kidneys, but also the key to extending your lifespan? Research now suggests that vitamin D plays a major role in slowing down aging at a cellular level. It helps reduce oxidative stress, supports mitochondrial function, and keeps inflammation in check, all of which are essential for longevity. People with higher vitamin D levels tend to have lower risks of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. So by ensuring you get enough of this powerhouse vitamin, you're not just protecting your kidneys, you're safeguarding your entire body against premature aging and disease. Your kidneys deserve better. Take action. Today, many people wait until they experience serious symptoms before taking action. But by then, the damage may already be irreversible. The good news is, it's never too late to start making small, powerful changes. By simply adjusting your diet, getting more sun, and supplementing smartly, you could dramatically improve your kidney function and overall health. Imagine waking up every day with more energy, less bloating, and a stronger immune system, all because you took control of your health today. Your kidneys work tirelessly to keep you alive. It's time to return the favor. Start incorporating vitamin D into your routine now, and watch how your body thanks you in the years to come. Final thoughts: your next steps to protect your kidneys. Kidney disease doesn't have to control your life. If you take the right steps now, you can slow down, stop, or even reverse damage. Get your vitamin D levels checked. Spend time in the sun and eat vitamin D-rich foods. Consider a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement. I want to hear from you. Have you checked your vitamin D levels? What are you doing to protect your kidneys? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life-saving health tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and take care of your kidneys. Love.